From our previous video, we saw how to assign IP address statically to our PCs to be able to communicate with our local router. Now, that was a very soft way, especially configuring the router. We used the soft interface, or we used the web interface or the web GUI to configure the IP addresses. That normally is used in Packet Tracer, although Packet Tracer has the CLI. But in this video, I'm going to use Gns3, which has no soft interface for you to configure IP address, with the exception of using the CLI. And I like Gns3 because it makes you more abreast with the Cisco CLI commands, and it makes you very good. So without wasting much time, let's open Gns3. So this is where we left off in our first video. We connected basic network devices in our topology. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to configure this router to use this IP address 10.10.10.1 like as we used in our previous video, /24 mask, and then this PC is going to use 10.10.10/2/24. So if we're a fan of Gns3, then grab your bits. You're going to do a lot of we are going to do a lot of Cisco CLI. Starting off with our PC, you open the console, and this is how to assign IP address for a virtual PC in Gns3. So you type the command IP followed by the IP address, followed by the subnet mask 255.255.0, followed by the gateway. The gateway is the default gateway of your router. So we configure same for PC2. So IP followed by the IP address, followed by the subnet mask 0.0.19, followed by the default gateway .1. And as you can see, there we go. So if you want to see the IP configuration of the virtual PC, just type show IP. And that's the IP. The default gateway DNS wasn't set. I have the local port and I suppose not necessary. So we have this one to show IP. I have 10.3, gateway is 10.1. Right, so now we have to configure the router. Right, so to configure the router, first I have to enable the router, followed by config terminal, which is config T, and then you type IP interface, the interface that you want to configure, interface fast Ethernet 00, and assign the IP address 10.10.10.1, followed by the subnet mask 255.255.0, and now start the interface to bring the interface up. Right, so the interface is up. We can do show IP interface brief. As you can see, fast Ethernet 0100 is up, and we should be able to ping one of the hosts. Right. The ping is working well. The ping is working well. Takes time to learn the IP address of the host. So let's ping PC2. Takes time to learn. So you have a packet drop and the forward successful. So add that ping and you see everything is going on well. Now, one thing about Gns3 is that you can capture what is really going on. So let's say start capture on this internet. This is Wireshark. Wireshark is a tool used to analyze traffic flowing to your network. Right. So at the moment, there's a lot of traffic happening within our network. Cisco Discovery Protocol, STP, Standing Tree Protocol. That we will get there and I'll explain things to you. So I'll pick the terminal and I'll type ping 10.10.10.1. And you can see the packets are flowing. There's a reply from the router. Now, let's go to the Wireshark. Oh, really? I should have another Wireshark over here. Seems the Wireshark went off. Okay. Let me start another capture. Stop capture. Let's capture what is going on here. So okay, so data is flowing through our network, and let's ping the router again. And as you can see, okay, so let's analyze something here. ICMP protocol is the protocol that is used for ping. So from here you can see the source IP is the PC2, the destination is the router. The protocol is ICMP. So it sends a ping request to the router, and then now the source address becomes the router, and the router says, hey, you're looking for me, I'm with the IP address 10.10.1. So PC2 will say hello to router 1, the router 1 will say hello PC3 or PC2, I'm here. As we move on, we talk a lot about Wireshark and Gns3. Thanks for watching.